Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And I've seen a lot of people, and actually a lot of people contacted me also saying that they have not seen the update for the October 2018 version 17763. And I was looking at one of the posts. So basically, a lot of you have not seen that update appear in Windows Update. And some of you have got that update, they applied it, and some have a mixed bag of updates. So I'm one of the viewers actually has 4 PCs running the October 2018 update, and he told me he got it on one, but not on the three other computers, and he was wondering what happens. So these updates, one of the things I was looking at, it's possible that yesterday's update for the October 2018 update or version 1809 is probably specific to maybe some machines, not all of them. So if you don't see it, it's don't worry. I would not worry at all about this update because, like I said, it's bug fixes, and if your PC works well, it's okay. Don't you don't have to apply it. And if that update is ever required on your computer, what I know is that the cumulative update when we have Patch Tuesday in May will actually apply this update with it because cumulative updates are like that. They contain all the previous updates plus the new updates. So if you would be 6 months behind, your cumulative update for Patch Tuesday, for example, would be a big update because it would contain all the updates for 6 months. This is how cumulative updates work. Rule of thumb, and this is always what I will say, is when I talk about updates, when I tell you that new updates have been showing up and that there is updates for certain versions of Windows 10, there's always two types of updates. I always tell you there's the bug fixes and there's the Patch Tuesday security updates. Bug fixes, if your PC is going well, it doesn't matter if you don't see them. It doesn't matter if you don't apply them. It doesn't matter if you don't even check for them. As long as your PC works, it's okay. The only ones that you need to worry about, honestly, are the Patch Tuesday security updates. So, Patch Tuesday updates appear this month with all the security updates, you're fine. And there's really nothing to think about. Unfortunately, some people sometimes take the updates a little too seriously. And like I said, when there's no security fixes in there, I'm not that fond of, installing updates when nothing's wrong. So unfortunately, I don't have any machines left here on October 2018 update, so I can't check it out. But don't worry, as long as you get the monthly security updates on the second Tuesday of the month, that is the important update. That update yesterday is very minor. It fixes about 9 or 10 different things in Windows. And, it's possible that it doesn't apply to everybody. It could be very specific to certain machines or certain types of hardware, honestly. So that might be why you don't see it on your machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.